Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, in our today's lesson, we will discuss about the units of pressure. So, before the start of the units of the pressure, you guys must know about the definition of the pressure. That what does mean by it. So, basically, the pressure can be defined as the force per unit area. So, basically, it is the force per unit area. It is known as the pressure. On the other hand, the pressure it is denoted by the capital P and we can write its formula as force per unit area. This formula is also has been written over there, the force per unit area, where force is denoted by F and area is denoted by A. So by definition, in simple, it is the force that is exerted by 760 millimeter of mercury on a long area of just 1 centimeter cube and the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. So that force we can call it as it is the pressure and it is equal to 1 atm. It is called as 1 atmospheric pressure and that pressure we can denote it by using different units and we have almost 4 to 5 units for the measurement of the pressure. So let's have a look on these units. So here, the first one unit we have, it is the atmospheric unit, denoted by atm, and it is equivalent to 1 atm. On the other hand, the second unit we have millimeter of mercury. It can be written as mmHg, where mm is a millimeter, and the Hg symbol it is denoting the mercury scale. And how much of millimeter mercury is equal to 1 atm? If we have 1 atm of atmospheric pressure, then it is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury. And when we convert it into the centimeter mercury, it is equal to 76 centimeter of mercury. And when we have the next unit, which is torr. So basically, when we have 1 atm, it is equal to 760 torr. Then we have the unit Pascal. Pascal, when we have 1 atm, it is equal to 101326 of Pascal. And when we have it into the kilopascal, so the kilopascal is 1 atm and is equal to 101.326 kilopascal. So all these are units are interconvertible and they can also be used for the measurement of the pressure. So here we will make one as a whole equation. For this we have 1 atm, it is equal to 760 millimeter of mercury and this 760 millimeter mercury is equal to 760 torr and it is equal to 101326 Pascal and it is equal to 101.326 kilopascal. So kilopascal it is another unit of the pressure. So all these units are interconvertible and can be used for the denotation of the pressure. Next we have the SI unit of the pressure. For the SI unit of the pressure, we use that if we have 760 torr, it is equal to 101325 Newton per meter square. So from where we get this Newton per meter square according to the formula of force, which is force per unit area is equal to the pressure. So the unit of force is mainly Newton, and the area can be measured in meter square. So on a whole, the pressure will be equal to the Newton per meter square. So this unit is mainly known as the SI unit of the pressure. So when we have a look on Newton per meter square, 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So 101,325 Pascal will be equal to 101,325 Newton per meter square. So in Newton per meter square in SI unit, we will use the value that is 101,325. On the other hand, the unit can also be used in the pounds per square inch, which is called as PSI, pounds per square inch. It is used mostly common in the engineering work. So the work that has been done by the engineers, they use PSI, that is the unit of the pressure, pounds per square inch. And here, if we have 1 atm, then it is equal to 760 torr, and that 760 torr is equal to 14.7 pounds per inch square. And the unit of the millibar is also used by the, we also use the unit that is millibar, and it can be only used by the meteorologist. So according to the nature of the work, the different workers just use their different types of, or the different units of the pressure. So mainly we will use the chemical calculation. It is the Newton per meters here, which is the SI unit or the system international unit of the pressure. So this is all about the units of the pressure. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that. And in the next topic, we will discuss about the gas laws, the laws related to the gases. The number one law was Boyle's law, and the second one is the Charles law. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.